Oh, I got my own. Okay, thanks.
You go into what?
Wi-Fi.delta.com. I'm leaving New York right now. I'm gonna head to Florida, to Fort Myers, Florida. It's about a 2.5 hour flight. It's not bad. Just leaving JFK Airport International. We're arriving into Florida now. We'll be landing at Fort Myers. I just landed at Fort Myers Airport now. I'm gonna exit security and head outside. Dave's supposed to pick me up here. Well, Quiznos is closed, but this is a busy airport. There's other stores over there. Last week it was Alaska, and this week it's Florida. I want to see the beach this time, so it'll be a good trip. Just a couple days here. Let's see what's happening here. We just got sunset just happened, so it's gonna be dark, but we'll see some daylight tomorrow. Well, Dave's coming to pick me up now. I'm gonna surprise him. See what his reaction is when he sees my beard. Well, I haven't seen him for about 4.5 years, so it's been a while. He's coming in a beige Ford Lincoln. Hey, Dave!
Hey, get in there. Come on, hurry up. Fuck out of here. People start acting the fuck out of here already. Fuck, come back with your head like crap. What do you got? Got closed for a friggin' week, dude? Come on. Only staying a couple days.
I know.
What's up, dude?
How's it going? Hey, let's check this out. Now check this out.
What the fuck is that? Oh, camera. Where'd you get that? Some third world country?
Now I was gonna say, check this out.
Oh, what the hell, dude? What the hell's up with that?
No one knows it behind my mask.
Well, that's what a lot of guys do.
Really?
Yeah, why'd you... Dude, what the hell? Shit.
What do we need to get in the garden department?
I just want to see if there's any ammo. There's a lady in there, isn't there?
I hope it's open.
Yeah, I hope.
Gotta knock on it.
People in there, look at that. Alright, we gotta go around.
You gotta go the other way, huh?
Let's see. Probably will.
Oh,
Did you get it? What did he say? He said, do your best, man.
And you said we don't have any?
Well, I'm sorry, I don't have it.
And he said that he approved it?
Oh, you like that one, did you?
I like that one, man. You know how to talk to him. You gonna make a mask out of the box?
Yeah, let me see. Oh, this makes it better.
Oh yeah. There you go.
That's something like that. Get some tape.
You're all set for the next time someone asks.
Gonna find some tape now, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so get me some tape and I'll go like this and put it on my face.
Yeah.
And then we'll walk out and we'll record him again.
Okay.
See what he says. Alright?
Where's the tape? Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, boss.
I got my mask.
Look different yourself.
Okay.
That was a good one. We made our own mask.
Alright, what do you want to get?
I want to get some organic food.
Alright.
You like his mask?
Insert cash or select payment type.
All right. So that was the Walmart experience. That was a good one. Yeah, that's the kind of mask you made yourself.
Works.